Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your JBL Charge 5 is not playing any sound. So what many people reported with a similar issue, they said that they had to charge it during the night, that you had a low battery. So check if your battery is high or no. So this is the first thing, is the battery life, and you want to have it as full as possible. Maybe this is going to be the issue why your JBL is not playing any sound. The second reason, what you can do and what you can check out, is that what you can do is to turn it on. When you're gonna turn it on, you want to press the play button, and then you want to press the plus button, the volume plus, at the same time, and just hold it. So you're gonna press the play and plus at the same time and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and you should reset, and then possibly you can play music. So try it out and let me down below what works for you, so we can help each other out. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.